All right, good morning, everybody. All right, just buying a little bit of LABD. Just bought a little bit of LABD. Bought LABD at 1310 right here. Getting ready to look at Einstein, get some targets. LABD. All right, let's look at 1316. Target number one. That's real close. Like 1310. $13.20. And I'm also getting one at 1325. ED. All right, let's see what else we have here. VXX. VXX is on my radar this morning. I want to look at VXX. Next on VXX. PIX. PIK. PIXY. That's the one I want to see. I want to look at PIXY. Maybe get a little buying opportunity down here. Let's see if we start to bounce in here. I like the buying coming in on PIXY. We'll keep an eye on that. KITT. It's another one on our watch list this morning, KITT. but I like KITT. All right, I'm going to look for a buying opportunity on KITT. I don't have anything yet, but I'm going to be watching KITT. Maybe get a buy on that. Yeah, it's been pretty hot here in Texas, Glenn. It sure has. But that's typical Texas for you. I don't know what they're calling today, probably the 90s. All right, let's take a look at our indices. I haven't even looked at indices yet this morning. Let's look at indices. All right, we're going to start off with the mini Russell. Not seeing any setups on the mini Russell. Let's look at the E-mini S&P. I get anything on E-mini S&P, both coming down. Mini NASDAQ. Also coming down. Let's take a look at our gold. We like gold. Gold is going up. No opportunities there. Gas is coming down, a little opportunity, but it's real close to target. So we're just going to let that go. Natural gas going down. And then finally, looks like crude oil is also coming down. See it in there. All right. Let's go back to our stocks. Man, there's not a whole lot on the commodity side. Let's I'm gonna buy a little bit of PIK. I don't want to go too crazy on this one, but we'll buy a couple hundred shares PIK. I am in PIK, bought PIK at 160. I'm gonna watch the 170 on PIK. If we can get up to 170, I may look to add to this position, 170. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little alert up there. Buy entry. All right, there's my little alert. All right, what else we have here? KITT. Yeah, I'm not too excited about KITT. Like to see KITT maybe pull back a little bit more. Look to maybe buy that. TMF. Want to keep an eye on TMF. All right. CFMS was another one that was on my radar. All right, just going through some of my watch lists. Stocks that I have pre-selected, looking to see if I see any setups here. ILNQ. I did get ILNQ back up there towards these highs. Let's see. Actually, if I can come up to around 1030, I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark it at 1029. Get up to around 1029. Possibly look to buy it at 1029. I would keep an eye on that at 1029. ILNQ. WLDS, that's definitely been on our radar before. Nothing on that. Once again, I think we're going to go ahead and I'm going to buy a little bit of PIXY. I'm going to buy a little bit of PIXY in here. Nothing too heavy. All right, I'm in PIXY 196. Let's get a few targets here. Some are pretty close. And $2, which kind of makes sense. A lot of people like to trade those off of those even numbers. I do have a $206. A little bit of selling up there between 205 and 210. I'm just going to look to scalp this. Probably not going to hold this very long. All right, a little bit of PIXY. All right, I want to look at TZA. TZA has been pretty active this morning. TZA. AGQ. A little bit higher stock, but could be a runner this morning. TZA could definitely be a runner this morning. LABD. Still an LABD. Still like an LABD. BXX. Let's see some action on VXX. I don't see anything else on the scanner, folks. All right. My PIK is moving. Let's take a look at PIK. I want to add up here PIK. Adding at 170. Looking for a 186 next target. Possibly up to 210. Glenn, you doing a little bit of trading this morning, sir? All right, once again, we're going to keep this morning show down to 30 minutes. We'll continue on in Discord with our active traders. I am looking to possibly get out of PIK, like to get it over $2. I am still in LABD. LABD. In LABD here, this yellow line scans me a little bit here. LABD and PIXY. I want to really watch PIXY. PIXY. Again, also entered at that yellow line on PIXY, just looking for a little pop, and then we'll get out of PIXY. And as far as the indices, I don't have anything on the indices. Right, so any of my active students, I'm going to switch over to Discord here in about 3 minutes. Yes, looking for a little pop here. PIXY. Nothing on the indices, nothing on gold. Natural gas looks like it wants to go a little bit lower, but don't want to jump in on the natural gas. Not on a Friday. Good, Glenn. Good for you, buddy. CB stands for crystal ball. Doing a little crystal ball trading.
AVL, UVIX.
Still like LABD, UVIX. All right, so that's we're about ready here to wrap this thing up. Once again, don't forget, please, to subscribe and also hit that like button if you like this morning's show. We do continue on in our Discord channel, continue to share our charts, continue to watch some of these commodities, the indices, stocks. Also, if you hit that notification bell, you'll be the first to be updated on any new videos. I will put a recap video out at the end of the day, let you know how my trading went. Also go over a few of the entries, what I was seeing at the time. All right, I like it. So coming in long, PIX, LABD, and PIXY. Everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see you first thing on Monday morning.